Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update.
Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a restore point on Windows 10. Okay, so you need to click on this start button and you need to type over here create a restore point. Okay, so here we have this create a restore point. Click on that and here we have this system properties, this window. Okay, so guys, here you can see that we have this system drive and the protection is turned off. Okay, so here you can see that to create a restore point, first enable protection by selecting a drive and clicking configure. So I'm just selecting my system drive over here. Click on the configure button and here we have this turn on system protection. Just click on that, and the disk space usage, you can adjust the maximum disk space used for system protection. As space fills up, older restore points will be deleted to make room for new ones. Okay guys, so you can select this max usage by so here we have the slider. So I'm just selecting the the 6%. You can select any number of percentage that you like, that you are comfortable with. Okay, and here you need to click on this apply button and then click on OK button. Okay guys, so you can see that the protection is turned on. Okay, and after that we have this option enabled, create a restore point right now for the drives that have system protection turned on. So this is our system drive. Okay, so just select it and then click on this create button and just give it a name to your restore point. So I'm just giving a name like this system restore point. Okay, you can give it any name and then click on this create button. As you can see guys, it's creating a restore point. It can take a minute or two. Okay guys, so you can see that system protection, the restore point was created successfully. Okay, so just click on this close button. After that, click on this OK button. And guys, how you can access the restore point you just created. Okay, so again you need to click on this start button, and in the search box over here you need to type that create a restore point. Okay, and click on this create a restore point over here, and here we have this system restore. Okay, so click on this button, and here we have this window system restore, restore system files and settings. Okay, so just click on this next button, and this is the restore point we just created. Okay, so you can see that the name that I gave, system restore point, and it is also manual. Okay, and it is created on 20th of July 2018. Okay, so after that you just need to also guys, you can click on this scan for affected programs if you like. Okay, and if I click on that, you can see scanning for affected programs and drivers. And here you can see the information, programs and drivers that will be deleted. So there is nothing detected over here. And guys, here you can see this programs and drivers that might be restored. These programs might not work correctly after restore and might need to be reinstalled. Okay, so I don't have any. You might have the programs over here or drivers. So just click on this close button, and here you can click on this next button, and here you can see confirm your restore point. Your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the event in the description field below. Okay, so here we have the time, the description and the drives. Okay, and here we have this, if you have changed your Windows password recently, we recommend that you create a password reset disk. Okay guys, so if you have changed your Windows password, then you need to create a password reset disk. Okay, And also system restore needs to restart your computer to apply these changes. Before you proceed, save any open files and close all programs. Okay guys, so after you're done reading all this information, you just need to click on this finish button, and it will restore your computer to the previous state. Okay, so that's it guys. Thanks for watching. In this way you can create a restore point. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.